The LE9600XD from Larson Electronics is a remote-controlled visible and infrared LED light serving as a powerful and durable lighting solution for military, outdoor, and extreme environments. Designed to work with a hardwired remote control, the LED light has corrosion-resistant parts and a potted internal control board for harsh weather applications. This military LED light offers 360 degrees of endless horizontal rotation. This 30-watt light features a dual-color LED assembly and offers a combination of spot and floodlight beam configurations. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.